Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. This video is just a quick and definitive guide on how to quickly start up the little Pip-Boy project that I made, add your YouTube channel so you can see the views and everything, and finally, maybe even a little music. We'll throw in the music part as well. Why not? Alright, let's get started. Starting off, you want to go and download a Python IDE. Okay, go to this thing called PyCharm, click download PyCharm, and scroll down to the PyCharm Community Edition. Click download. It should pop up with a little installer. You click it, you go through the installation, and what should pop up is this, but with a little less projects. Okay. Next thing you want to do is go download Python 3.10. Okay. This is the language version that we're going to be using for the project. If you have a 64-bit computer, hit the installer, get it going, and ideally, okay, let me show you how it goes. Once you hit download and it starts downloading, since I've already done it, it's not going to really do anything. But you hit download, it downloads, and it's going to be put in a Python file, and we'll find that file in a bit. Next thing you want to do is go to my GitHub page, hit code, and copy this link right here. Now, what we're going to do with this link is go back to PyCharm, click get from version control, and paste the link. Wow. And we're going to call this one true-underscore-tutorial. Because again, this is a tutorial. This isn't real. As you can see, I tried to do the tutorial before, but apparently the mic was off. So we're going to hit trust the project. And now you're not going to have, let me move my little camera. So if you can see on the bottom right over here, there's a little thing that says Python 3.1 Pip-Boy. Now what you're going to want to do is, you're not going to have 3.1, so you're going to add a local interpreter. Alright, once you open it up, you're going to find the location of your Python 3.1 python.exe, okay? So usually where it's going to be under is when you click this little 3 thing. It's going to be under users, your current user, app data, local, and scroll down until you get to programs, unlock programs, find Python, open up 3.10, and pull up python.exe. Bam. And then you click OK. And now it's creating a new environment for that language. What does that mean? You don't need to know. Right now, you get to play with the program. So next up, what you're going to do is hit install requirements. Paul, what? What do you mean install requirements? Usually this doesn't normally pop up with every project, but since I'm very kind, out of the kindness of my own heart, I made a list of the stuff the project needs. So anytime anyone downloads it, especially if you have something like PyCharm, you could just hit install and everything pops in. You're welcome. All right. Once you get it installed and everything, the main part is complete. You can technically run the project. If you don't want to add the YouTube stuff, what you're going to have to do is go to main app inside the folder and scroll down to delete any mentions of the YouTube player tab. So you're just going to want to delete all that if you don't want to add a YouTube channel. However, the rest of this video will be showing you how to add a YouTube channel. But first, to add music, you open up the folder over here in the little folder file area, open up the music folder and just put in any MP3 you want, and it just works. Okay, it works. It's wonderful. Now let's add the YouTube statistics. How you're going to want to do this is look up Google Cloud Project. I'll probably put it in the link below. And as you can see, I've done this before, but we'll just start a new project. We'll call this one YouTube tutorial. Wonderful. So now that you've made this, the first thing you're going to want to do is go to the API and services. If you don't have that pop-up, open up the sidebar, click on API and services, and it should bring you to this screen. Now I'm moving over to the other side. What we're going to do here is look for YouTube Data API version 3. That's what we're looking for. If you can't find it, just look it up over here and pull it out. So it's already enabled because I've already used it for a different project. Go to credentials. As you can see, I've already made one. So to make a new one, you hit credentials, go to manage service accounts, hit create service account, and you can call it whatever you want. I'm going to call it Pip-Dizzle. There we go. You know what? No underscore, just Pip-Dizzle. Okay. Create and continue. Continue. And you're going to want to obviously do this with the YouTube account that you're going to be using. So I'm going to be using this throwaway account that I have. And bam, pip.dizzle. And now that you've made it, what you're going to want to do is click on the service account, click on keys, and you're going to want to add a key. When create a new key and hit JSON. Okay, perfect. We made the JSON, ladies and gentlemen. So now what we're going to do with this little JSON file is go like this. Here's our JSON. Don't worry about anything else that's been downloaded. Take our JSON file and drop it inside the media folder of our project. Okay, drop it in there. And I want to simplify it, so I'm going to call it the file.json. Okay? No. So once you added the file.json, go to the YouTube tablet file, okay? And you're going to want to navigate to the service account file line. And here, change API user to whatever you named the file, or you could just copy and paste it. But here is media/thefile.json. It navigates to the file. You'll be good to go. Next thing you're going to want to fill in is the channel ID, and to do that, you go to your channel. You see the little @ thing at the end. Copy it and go to any YouTube channel ID finder. I like to use this one. I'm not a robot. Get channel ID, and it gives me the channel ID. Hit copy to clipboard, go back to the project, and drop the channel ID within the quotation marks. Now that you've done that, everything should be perfect. Go to main app, and if you want to keep reopening this reliably, you're going to want to go up here to current file, click it, edit configuration, add new. Okay, follow along. This is gonna be wild. Python. You're gonna wanna what is it? Pick main app for the first line. You're gonna find the main app and add it in there. And for working directory, you're gonna click on Pip-Boy and press OK. Hit apply. Okay, and now whenever you click play, no matter where you are, ta-da! Now you have the app working, and let's check the YouTube. Bam. There's the YouTube. I didn't make anything in this channel, so it's not going to show anything. The default is 1,000 subs as a goal. If you want to change that, here's some extra tidbits. For the YouTube tablet, if you want to change the a goal, scroll down to the bottom, find the one that says goal, and change that 1,000 subs to any number you want. Let's just say 10,000 for now, and I'll open it back up in a bit. And if you want this main app itself to be bigger, or you just want it full screen, here are the specs. You can change the numbers around, or you could just simply, to make it full screen, is type pygame.display.toggle full screen. Remove the toggle full screen and show you that changing the goal actually changed the number. See, 10,000 subs. Wonderful. So that's all it takes, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, I hope it was simple enough that you could follow along. No need for that much computer prowess. If you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe. If you got any questions, leave them in the comments below. Have a nice day, and God bless you all. Take care.